Hey everybody, it's Dennis with socialmediachatbots.com. I'm also an instructor on udemy.com and I also own a couple of websites. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect a chatbot to ConvertKit, which is the email application that I use. Now you can also do this with MailChimp and other email applications out there, but I use ConvertKit. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. And you can do this to actually build your email list. And if you're not familiar with chatbots, well, I'm going to show you a little bit about what a chatbot is, but I'll show you more in future videos. So let's go over here and we're looking at Chatfuel.com, which is the chatbot application that I use. Now, I also used one called MiniChat at minichat.com, and it basically works the same way, but I came across Chatfuel.com, and because I teach on Udemy, there's an instructor that has a course on Chatfuel, and I decided to take the course and learn it. And so now I've been building my chatbots with Chatfuel. So I'm going to show you what I did and how I'm using Chatfuel to build my audience. And then I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing and how you can connect it to your favorite email application so that you can take email addresses, and when somebody subscribes through the chatbot, then you're able to market to them. Now, this is one of the many chatbots that I have because I run several websites. This is a website that I run called Free Course Daily. And with Free Course Daily, I give subscribers a new free course each day. I send them a link to a course on Udemy that they can take for free. But I've also compiled a list of 175 courses, and so I'm using this as a lead magnet. And I've been using it at freecoursedaily.com/free as a lead magnet, and then having it go into ConvertKit where I had a sequence set up. But I wanted to try something different once I discovered Chatfuel and the power of chatbots. I decided to connect it using a bot where you can see up here I have this link established, and this automatically, when I send this link out, it creates, when I post it into Facebook, it creates a button that says send message, and when somebody clicks on that, it automatically starts this whole process right here. So you can see what I've done is I've built these blocks here, and or built the block right here, and then over here I've put in the different elements of this block. So right here it shows that I'm typing. So in Facebook Messenger you've got the three dots that will kind of wiggle around, and that shows that the person on the other end is sending you a message. And so the bot acts in the same way. And then I've got this image right here, which when you hover over it, you can see that you can replace or crop it. And then I've got these different text boxes right here. And this one just says, hey, and then it's got first name. And so since you're logged into Facebook, it automatically knows the first name of the individual who is getting the message. And it just says, welcome to Free Course Daily. We've compiled a list of 175 free courses we'd like to share with you. And then it does some typing again. I decided not to send all of that text at once, so I've broken it up into a couple. And I could probably even break it up into 3 if I wanted to. So just subscribe below and we'll send you the link to our PDF with 175 free courses you can enroll in starting today. Plus, we'll be sending you details on how you can access even more free courses. Why free courses? Because when you learn more, you earn more. And I believe that as an instructor on Udemy, and that's one of the reasons why I run Free Course Daily and online course coupons. And what we have down here is the quick reply. So we have here are some other options. If they're not interested in the 175 free courses, they might get free course daily or maybe some free courses here, or they might want to unsubscribe. They just don't want to subscribe to my bot. And you should have that option to do that. And I'll show you in another video how that's done. So in this situation right there, they would click on this, and then what they would have would be this user input. And so to get that, let me show you here, go up here. So you have these different options right here to add the text, the typing, the quick reply, the images, image gallery. You can send them to a certain block or a sequence, and I'm going to show you how I've used this to do a sequence and then sign somebody up for a sequence on using ConvertKit, and then also a sequence within Chatfuel to remind them every day to go check their inbox, because one of the problems with email marketing is there's fairly good engagement compared to Facebook engagement on a Facebook page, but chatbots have really high engagement because everybody has a smartphone now, and a lot of people have Facebook and Facebook Messenger on those smartphones. So they're going to see those messages and be able to respond right away, where most people aren't checking their email as often as they're checking Facebook. So if I click on this plus right here, it's going to pop up, and this is where I got the user input, and that just adds that. You can see here how it added that to this block here that I'm creating so that I can gather the information. So I'm going to delete that there because we don't need that. I've got this down here. And you can see that I've typed in, please enter your best email address so that we can send you the free PDF. And then I've got the validation for that. And then I've created the attribute called email address. And then you can modify these plugin phrases here if you want. So typically if somebody doesn't enter, like if it doesn't look like an email address or a phone number, it will know that and let them know that, hey, we need you to enter in the right format. So then after that, it's going to do the typing again. And then it comes back with, hey, first name, we're sending you an email to the email address that they've typed in with a link to the free 175 courses on the PDF that we've created. And then next, what you do is you use this element here for the JSON API, which is the ability to connect with these different applications. And in this case, it's going to connect with Zapier at Zapier.com. And I'm going to show you how I did that. You can see here that I've switched this type to post, and then I put in this URL that was created by Zapier, and then the attributes here, the name and the email address. And what it's going to do is it's going to take that information from the bot, and through Zapier, it's going to pull that information over in what is called a webhook. And I'm going to go over to Zapier.com here and show you. So here's the zaps that I've set up, and this one is for the 175 free courses. I'm going to click on edit here. I'm not going to create a zap. They're really easy to do, but I'm going to show you that the first thing that I created was this catch hook right here. And I click on this, and right here it says it waits for a new post, a put, or a get to a Zapier URL. Going to click on continue there and going to continue again. And you can see here that I can view the hook, but what you do is that you put in, you get that set up on your chatbot, you go in and you create your zap, and it's going to give you that URL. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to grab the webhook and you're going to go through the process here. Let me see if I can actually do that for you and show you like what that's like. I'm going to go to the dashboard, and up here you can see I'm on the free plan, and I'm going to make a zap. And there's all of these different built-in apps that they have, and then popular apps that you can connect it to. So if you're a MailChimp user, then you would want to connect to MailChimp to send that data to your MailChimp form. I use ConvertKit. I've used MailChimp, wonderful product, but I decided to switch over to ConvertKit, and you can see that it's already there. So you're going to grab the webhook first, and then you're going to click here on Catchhook, and you're going to save and continue. Now where it says pick off a child key, you're going to skip this right here, and you're going to move on to here. Here's that URL that I was talking about that you're going to copy, and then you're going to pull it over here to Chatfuel, and you're going to copy it right there. And then you're going to go back over here, and you're going to click OK, you did this. And then what it's going to do after that is it's going to look for the hook. Now, it's probably not going to find it since I didn't technically copy it over there, but that's what it's going to do when you copy it over into the JSON API on the chatbot there. So let's go ahead and move out of this, and I'll go back here to the one that I already have. All right, so, oh, it's not what I want right there. So here we are, go back to this. Add subscriber from a form. So this is the trigger. This is what's going to take that information from the chatbot, and this is the action right here. So I added ConvertKit if you're using MailChimp or one of the other email applications. You can search for that in Zapier. And then you can see here that it added it to there. Let's go ahead and edit right here. So I put in my API key for ConvertKit, and if you use ConvertKit, let me show you where that's at. You're going to find it here under account settings, and I'm not going to show it just because that is private information there. So I'm not going to show it in the video, but you're going to copy that, and then you're going to copy the secret key, which is hidden. And then you're going to take that over to Zapier, and that's what makes this connection right here, so that you can see all of the different types of forms. So you're going to select the form that you want the data to go to, and then here under step 1, you're going to tell it that this is where email is, so this is going to be that filled in the form, so it knows how to match that up with the information that's coming in with the bot. So it's going to put the email address there, it's going to put the first name there, and then I've got a sequence set up. And if you're not familiar with ConvertKit, this is one of the reasons why I use ConvertKit. So the form I have right here, and you can see that at this time 8 are subscribed to that. And then on the sequence right here, go ahead and go in here. It'll take just a moment. All right, so we've got the sequence right here. So I've created the sequence, and you can see here that right now it's got kind of a low click-through rate, and that's because I think that some of the things that I have in the sequence, that some of the people who are taking advantage of that already have subscribed to the additional courses. But here's the sequence that I created. So the first thing that they're going to get, once that information from the bot comes in to Webhook, and then Webhook sends it over to ConvertKit, then the process starts where the sequence starts, and you can see I've got it set to go out right away. And here's your 175 free courses, and this goes out, and you can click on browse right here so you can see what it looks like. And then when they click over to this link, they'll see what that's like. And then if they want to browse other courses on Udemy, they can do that too. So let's go back over here. Let's see. So this here opts them into that. It says opt into course, but it's actually now renamed sequences. So it just hasn't been renamed there. And then you would click on continue. And it says test was successful because I've already tested this. It says there that it was done 10 hours ago. And this just shows you that it was created and the information was sent over. And you could retest it if you want and then finish right there. So it's pretty easy to set this up to capture that information from the bot and then send it over to Zapier. And then in this situation, I've got it going to ConvertKit. And like I was saying, you can send it over to MailChimp. And let me go back here to there. Let's see if I can explore right here. Here you go. Just wanted you to see. So this is most popular. And you can see here all of these different applications have some way to connect with that. There's MailChimp. Let's see if we've got some of the other email applications that are popular. There's Aweber. I know that that's pretty popular. There's the ConvertKit one. So you just need to go through and search for your email application to see if there's the ability to do that. But most likely there is going to be some way for you to make that connection. All right, so let's go back over here. Go ahead and close that right there. We'll go back to Chatfuel. So once that's done, it's all saved, and then you have that connection. Let me go ahead and show you another way that you can use this too. This is another Chatfuel chatbot. This is for a website that I own called Be Your Social. And Be Your Social is an application just like Hootsuite and also like Buffer. It allows you to share your social media and create one post and then have it post to all different locations. And so what I've done is I'm trying to grow my subscriber base and get people to use Be Your Social. So since I'm an online instructor on Udemy, I created a course and I decided to take that course and put it into lead pages and then build what's called the 14-day Be Your Social challenge. So there's a 14-day free trial of Be Your Social. So if you go to beyoursocial.com, you can sign up for it there. But I wanted a way for people to sign up for it on facebook.com/beyoursocial. So again, I created this bot right here, but I did it a little bit different. In this, let me go here. This is just one of the images that I'm showing off that people can create with Be Your Social. And this is the challenge. And it says, do you want to start your free 14-day Be Your Social challenge? So they can either pass or they can start the challenge. So if they start the challenge, it's going to ask for their email address. And then it's going to do the validation again. And then it says, watch your inbox, and we'll send you a reminder each day here on Facebook and to your inbox. Enjoy the challenge. So again, here's the connection to ConvertKit. So it's going to send the information over to ConvertKit. And I've got it set up so that when it hits the form, it's automatically going to start the sequence on ConvertKit. But Chatfuel has the ability to do sequences. So the next thing that I've got it set to do is to subscribe to a sequence. and set it up as the first one as the Be Your Social Challenge. So what happens is that it starts the process over on ConvertKit, but it also starts the process here on Facebook on Messenger. And so after 10 minutes, I have it set up that the first message that they're going to get is just, are you ready for your free one? Watch your inbox in a few hours for your first challenge, plus information to make sure that you're signed up for the free 14-day trial. Because in order to do the challenge, the user or the subscriber has to be signed up for that trial, or else they're not going to get the benefits of that. But the cool thing about this is that, again, we talked about the engagement rates being better for chatbots and not as not the best for email. It's still better than the engagement rates you'll see on Facebook because people are still opening their email. But this is a way to remind them to, hey, this is the next day in your challenge. So a little teaser here. Actually, this one is after 3 hours. And just to make sure that they check, because they get the welcome message and then they get the first challenge. But then after 1 day, they get this one here. So what they got in that last message was some links to some free social media courses. So that was their first challenge, to sign up and enroll in one of those. And then watch your inbox today for the second challenge. This is to make sure that your social media accounts are, so this is going to show them how to connect those accounts to Be Your Social so they can complete the future challenges and get all of the benefits out of this trial. So this is what I've done, is I've just used the sequences to do this. And this is something that you could do yourself for your business, is use the sequences in Chatfuel to walk people through something, even an online course. If you're an instructor like myself on Udemy, or maybe you teach on Teachable or Thinkific or something like that, this is a way that you can connect your students and engage with them and use chatbots on Facebook to grow your business. Another thing that I've been doing is when I send out a message, let's say for Free Course Daily, is reminding people to go and like the page that the chatbot was on, because that way they're going to be able to take advantage of future messages or posts. Now, there's other cool things that you can do with chatbots and Chatfuel, and I'll be showing more of those in upcoming videos. So stay tuned for those. I'm going to show you how you can put a post on your Facebook page, and when somebody comments, that you can trigger a chatbot. The other thing that I'm going to show you is over here on onlinecoursecoupons.com, which is another one of my sites. Facebook just released this new feature called Chat Now, and you can put this on your website, and you can see how I have it here with Chat Now. Well, when somebody sees that and they click on it, then it automatically starts this engagement with your bot. So this is one that I already have set up, and it just says, welcome to Online Course Coupons. We're super excited that you stopped by today. And this one's got a little information in there. I named the bot Gabriel, and this is just a bot to assist people with their needs. If they're a student wanting to learn a new skill, you can browse courses below. Don't see the subject they're looking for. So if they were to type in one of these topics here, I've got it set up to interact with the artificial intelligence. So if there's a specific word that somebody types, then I've got it set up to send them the information that they're looking for. And I'll show you real quick, but then in the future video, I'll show you how that you can put this on your website yourself. So let's say that I want to find out more about chatbots. I just type in chatbots and I hit enter and I wait, and there's a photo there of a chatbot, and it says, so you're interested in, and it's got my name. So you're interested in chatbots. Chatbots can help automate your Facebook page and grow your customers. Click below to visit the latest chatbot courses offered by instructors on Udemy. And then it says, we hope that you enjoy the chatbot courses and the benefits of learning a new skill. The online course coupons team. Click on chatbots, and guess what? It's going to redirect them over to a site that's got chatbot courses. And this is actually something that I put together on the onlinecoursecoupons.com website with some of the top chatbot courses on Udemy. And there they are. So you can see how chatbots would be very powerful in growing your business. And this is just going to get even bigger in the upcoming year. So I look forward to teaching you more about this in the next video. Again, you can follow me at socialmediachatbots.com. My name is Dennis, and you can connect with me there if you're wanting help with a chatbot for your business, or you just want to learn more about them. I'll have more videos in the future. Thanks for watching this live video tonight. Much appreciated. And I'm going to move on over here and end it for this evening. Take care now.